Good morning everyone. Myself Ashwini Shinde and I am handling computer subject for the standard 8th year. So last year we have discussed regarding software and its types, that's application software and system software. Then we have discussed regarding system parts, that is hard disk, RAM, ROM, motherboard, etc. Then Excel, using Excel as a database, using forms and filters. Then using formulas in Excel, how to use formulas in Excel, how to write the formulas. Then regarding email basics, how to create email basics. Then regarding email ID, for example, username and domain name. So these all aspects, these all things on information already we have covered last year. So we'll start with the new chapter, 8th standard, first chapter, that is computer network. So children, what do you mean by networking? So network is nothing but connection between two or more computers of the same type. So see here, if you want to share the information from one computer to the other computers, you need networking here. So here, computers, that it may be a set of computers. So these are called as the computers are connected to one another to share the information. Or it may be set of peripherals also. You can share the information from one computer to the another computer in a networking here. So peripherals is a part of a computer network. It is also called as nodes here. So nodes, it may be a scanner, printer, routers or computer here. Anything you can connect in the network, you can share the information or you can exchange the information here. So here, each node will be having particular network address. Each node will be having particular network address here. So in the network, you might have seen computer centers or in offices or banks. Many computers will be connected in a particular topology. That is a particular rule, it will be connected to one another. And in the cyber hunts or cyber cafes or computer centers, you might have seen only one scanner will be connected or only one printer will be connected. So these are called as peripherals or parts we call. So these all are connected in the networking to share the information here. So here the end system, it is called as host, in which the network is being done here. So here connections can be done either by cabling. You can use cables here or else wire we call it as, but particularly we call it as Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable. So for making a connection through cabling, we need Ethernet cable. And even you can connect computers, that is called as wireless. You can connect the computers, you can access the data without wires. That is through radio waves here. Radio waves. So you can exchange the information here also, but with the help of radio waves, it will be get connected. So for this one networking, you need some devices. You need some particular things for connection for a networking. So let us discuss about devices of networking. So children, so there are main devices we need. Devices of computer networks are, first one, we need NIC. NIC is nothing but network interface card. It is also called as network adapter. Network interface card. Or else it is also called as network adapter. Or else it is also called as Ethernet card. Ethernet card. So it is also called as Ethernet card. This one is a circuit board which can be connected to a network. It is a compulsory device for connecting the network. So let us move on to the next one, that is called as modem. So everyone knows regarding modem here. Even we call it as dongle or data connection. So modem name itself suggests that is modulator and demodulator. Modulator and demodulator. Modulator and demodulator. See, if you want to connect internet connection for your computer, you need modem. So this is the device which allows computers to communicate each other through telephone lines. Through telephone lines. Clear? So this is through modem you can connect the internet to the computer or to the device here. So after these two options we have next one that is called as switch. So what do you mean by switch here? Switch is also a device which will make a particular network and which will create a network here. So it is also called as smart hub here. Smart hub. So smart hub as well as modem. We are using switch to connect many peripherals here. So switch is used as smart hub here, where you can connect printer, scanner, routers, computers. All the devices can be connected to a main box, that is called as switch here. So last one we have network cable. So last option that is a device is network cable. So network cable, it is also called as Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable. When you are connecting network cable, one end or one side of network cable, it is connected to the computer's network port. Computer's network port it will be connected, and the other one it is connected to the switch box here. And the side will be connected to the switch box. This is called as your network cable. So apart from this, we'll move on to the next option, that is wireless networking. So last topic, today's topic is wireless networking. So already we have discussed regarding wired networking. Through cable how we are going to connect and how we can access the data. Same way, even you can access that is information in a wireless networking. Without wire, computers can be connected. So wireless networking is nothing but two or more computers or set of computers or peripherals can be connected, that is without cables. Without cables you can connect here, that is wireless networking. And here you need, it will be connected with the help of radio signals. It will be connected with the help of radio signals through Bluetooth and infrared rays. Through Bluetooth and infrared rays, you can transfer or you can send and receive the information. So what do you mean by Bluetooth here? Bluetooth, this is a wireless technology. Wireless technology, that is networking technology, which is designed for very short range of devices. When one device within a range of other Bluetooth device, it can be paired and it can be connected, and you can even share the information from one PC to other PC or computers with the help of Bluetooth here. But here, the radio signals or Bluetooth, whatever it is, it will be having low power radio transmitters or receivers here. So it is only accessible within a short area here, or a very short range of devices you can access. So this is about today's information. That is, we have discussed regarding computer network, what is node, what is post, how we are doing the networking, that is with cable, without cable, that is also called as wireless, and we need that is network devices such as NIC card, that is a network interface card. It is also called as network adapter. It is also called as Ethernet card, through which you can make the connections. Next one we have discussed regarding modem, that is modulator and demodulator, through which internet connections can be done through a computer. Next one we have discussed regarding switch, that is also called as smarter, and it is a box wherein all the peripherals, all the parts, other parts like printer and scanner can be connected. Then we have discussed regarding network cable. Network cable, it is a must and should. You have to you need that particular network cable for connecting the networking. Last we discussed regarding wireless networking, where you will be sending the information to computer. You can exchange the information, that is wireless. Without wire you can make the connections. With the help of Bluetooth and infrared rays you can send, but within a very short area. So children, next class we are going to discuss regarding networking types. So today we have discussed this one. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.
This is computer network. This is modem. This is switch. This is network cable. This is wireless networking.